Alright, in this video I'm going to do a quick walk around of this Gen 3 Raptor. Alright, so we've got this Gen 3 Raptor. The boys from Off-Road Republic put this build together. They brought it over to us for some wiring. It's on 37s, it's on Innovates, Camberg arms. It's got a removable 454 Motorsports tire cage, which these are obviously the mounts that stay in place when the tire cage isn't in there. Third brake light, amber dust lights, the antenna on the radio. This thing's got a really nice satin black wrap on it. SVC bumper, looks like there's a SVC intercooler in there. Baja Designs LP4's. This is actually what it was brought to us for, was to build a wire harness and wire up all these lights. Yes, Desert Trucks does some light work here and there. So we wired these to the upfitters, ran the outer lights on one switch for amperage reasons, the 3 inner lights on another switch, and then the amber backlights are on another switch. So 3 switches were used to get this set up. Came out really clean, but just figured while the truck was here I would do a quick walk around with you guys and kind of show it off. Thanks for watching.